So my storage is full. That's sinking. And there's still quite a few things to either film or edit, but I can't do any of that right now while both of my devices are full. And also, it's very hard for me to create and or function with a cluttered environment. So I need to clean up because who do I think I am? Ain't nobody finna clean this up for me. What I realize about me is that I don't have to have a completely perfect and flawless space. What I care about is having a neat one. I think that's what they call organized chaos. And don't none of my stuff better come up missing. Beep. I don't really know how to store this. Because if I do it like that, it inevitably falls over. But of course, since I'm recording, it doesn't. So we'll just see how long it holds up. And I need to clean that mirror. I'm telling you, life feels a lot better when you're, a little organized. Ouch. I know you're tired. There we go. Okay. Because I plan on recording something for the podcast eventually, so I might as well keep this out. Connector cord. All the other cords go in this pocket. It is currently 11:24, and it makes more sense this way. What? Honestly, it was a good idea that I did this because I planned on recording a skit called, and this was going to be somewhat of the set, and so me cleaning up had its purpose. It always has its purpose, but I'm not a huge stickler for things being like squeaky clean because honestly, I feel like that's unrealistic. I care about things being manageable and having its function in its proper place. Was not reaching for perfection, but I at least wanted to show y'all the behind the scenes process of, like, I guess, organizing my creative life. Sometimes, honestly, all the time, I feel a lot better when my space is better. I ain't one of those squeaky clean girlies, I ain't gonna hold you, but I do care about a neat and kempt environment. I guess y'all will see when the video comes out. Peace. So I just finished recording the first half, and now I have to prep for the second half, which of course that version of myself is more, done up, more clean. After that, I'll probably be recording a podcast episode, and then after that I will be recording another I don't even know what are those called. I guess a cover. The ideas keep coming, and it's all glory to God. So I hope y'all enjoy it. I hope y'all have been enjoying the day in the life vlogs, the doing life with love vlogs, the covers, the skits, the unconventional podcasts, because it's coming from a real place. And I'm not, the type to really sugarcoat a lot of things. I feel like I'm a very, very transparent person, even when I probably shouldn't be. But like, how else will y'all know that, like, it's real? So I'm not gonna cry though. I'm not gonna cry. We got a whole day of creation ahead. So I'll see y'all later. Beep. Just wrapped up. I winged it. Sorry for the rattling. So like I was saying, I feel pretty confident about this one only because a lot of the context was drawn from one character, so it doesn't really require me to bounce off of, the other, or as I would like to call her, ego. So I wouldn't have to bounce off her as much, but I can provide the context, the message that I wanted to convey, and also, get my point across. And so I really hope that it turned out the way that I had at least envisioned it, had an idea of. So I guess we'll once again figure it out in post. This should be fun. Quiet on set. Now technically this was already up, but however, I was locked in. Look at my face. You must be swift as a coursing river, with all the force of a great typhoon, with all the strength of a raging fire, mysterious as the dark side of the moon. Cut. It's currently 5:57. I am tired. I did everything I said I wanted to do, and now I just gotta review the footage. This is my good night. I appreciate y'all. Shout out to y'all. May the Lord bless you, keep you, watch over you, and give you peace through the night. May you have sweet sleep. Oh, I hope I have some sweet sleep after today. Peace.